Model 2016 Ford Transit 350L3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps H3 van needs turbo grin. Body white, panel van. Mileage 138062. Engine 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119